So one of the things I've been contemplating in the front of this is recovery points. And we have this one, which is massive. I think we could probably hook anything to that. But I was thinking maybe we need a second one for whatever reason. There are no other recovery like hooks or shackles or anything like that already on here. And then as I was painting, I remembered that I had this thing that was on the front of the truck, and it didn't look this good at the time, but this is connected right underneath the front and is a giant recovery point. So I don't know what they actually used this for, but when I got it, the front bolt, this one here, was actually broken off, and I have that in a video. All right, we don't need this, I don't think. So this is probably gonna stay off. So I put that aside as I was pulling off all the fire truck stuff that I didn't want, and just assumed I would never use that for whatever reason. It was just big and heavy and no point in having it. But now I'm thinking, hey, let's put that back on, and we have a second recovery point, and we can maybe do stuff with it in the future if we need to. And it's free. I already own it. I don't have to pay extra money now or in the future to add to it. So yeah, it's very simple. We've got this big huge piece, which is extremely heavy, and then this attaches to the front with 4 bolts, and then this pin obviously goes through here, and these are the bolts that hold this to this. And what I ended up doing, since I needed a new bolt anyway, I went on Bellmetric, bought myself a little Christmas present, and we have new 10.9 bolts, washers, and nuts. So I'm going to put that together with all this beautiful new hardware that is yellow zinc coated, so it shouldn't rust. And yeah, let's put this thing on. A little anti-seize on here. Boom. All right, that's it. We are done with that. So we have one bumper pin, another bumper, we'll call that a pin as well. So 2 pins, 1 area. I guess if we need to, we can anchor onto this for whatever reason. It's a little lower, so maybe that'll come in handy for some situations. I mean, it does kind of mess with our approach angle. Not kind of, it totally does. Yeah, it's still way up there. So we'll see. If it's a problem, we'll just take it off. No big deal. That's all I've got on that one. Thanks for watching.